Are you using something like this for your trailer jack? Or maybe something like this. A better solution is going to be the trailer jack block by Ox Blox. Ox Blox will support up to 10,000 pounds per block. They can be stacked for added height and stability. They are made from 100% recycled plastic. Ox Blox are literally made from ground up old garbage cans. They have a versatile fit. They work with RVs, horse trailers, boat trailers, utility trailers, and more. These are built to last with a lifetime warranty. Best of all, they're made in the USA, in Utah to be exact. For more info, go to www.myoxblox.com.
Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Wow, we got something here. It's actually pretty neat. So let's take a look. It's a 2025 Forest River Sabre, model number 37RVMILES. So let's get started. The length on this Sabre is 43 feet. The dry weight is 13,183 with a hitch weight of 2,235 with a GVWR of 16,235.
We think you're going to like it because it's a really interesting floor plan. We will start up here at the front, but now if you guys have ever needed a trailer hitch lock, hang around to the end of our video. We would like to share a product with you that's from proven industries that we think you'll really like. Now, right up here in this front area is where your spare is going to be, and your batteries will mount right over here. They do give you a switch out here for your docking lights. Now, moving down the side, I'll go ahead and point out this bedroom slide is going to have cable slides, but your others are going to be rack and pinion. This is going to be one of your propane tanks, and you will have space for a 30-pound if you would like to switch that out. Your docking is going to be right here with all your connections. Nice big storage area in here, and your leveling system is going to be up there. Now this one is 43 feet long, and it's got 4-point electric leveling.
Yeah.
I would love to have seen 6-point on it because it's so long, but it is what it is.
Tankless water heater.
Right there.
I've been waiting on you to do that.
Oh goodness. Right over here you do have a sewer caddy in place in this one. Your dump area is going to be under the slide, so you might want to hook everything up before you run that slide out, and there is a tank pull under there. Coming down this big slide here. Now the Sabres are not going to have your upgraded suspension, so you just might want to keep that in mind. Another slide out here at the back. It is a smaller slide, and it is going to be cable driven. Now, goodness, this thing is tall. So back here on the back, no ladder to access the roof, but it is going to be prepped for a backup camera.
See where the power is?
And this is unusual, I thought. Your power is actually in the bumper.
Yeah.
Instead of on the side.
Somewhat of the frame, I guess.
Now, this one is going to have this awesome side sun deck. It is just really, really cool. We don't have a key for this because you do have to have a key to operate this.
Yeah.
But when you put this in the up position, you are still going to have all of this glass as a big window. So you're not going to lose any of your natural light with this in the up position. Do we know the
This
awnings?
one, it says it's 20, and that's going to be that same about 11 and a half or something like that.
Okay, yeah, so you're going to have good coverage on your campsite. Right up here, it's going to be the other
Hang on, let me try that again.
the other side.
Hey, all right.
Have a mini fridge in here. Great storage, and of course a place that you can add a TV if you would like, and then your other propane tank.
Yeah.
All right.
All
Now,
right.
as awesome as this outside looks, especially with this sun deck, you have got to see the inside.
We got to see what the collaboration come up with.
Yes.
This is actually really cool.
So in case you need to know, it's RV Miles is who was the collaborators on this. We'll take a quick look around.
Did you know the roofs are PVC?
Well,
I did not know that.
I kind of thought maybe they would be, but
Yeah.
it's good to know. All right.
Whew.
Do we want to start
Back
all
here?
the way at the back?
Yeah.
Now there is another model very similar to this that's going to end right here with your entertainment center. Oh, but not this one. This one, you keep going. And you're going to have this awesome rear room back here.
Before we get too quick, it does have a projector.
Yes,
And if you're looking for the screen,
it is right there.
wow.
So this could be a kid's room. This could be a craft room. Obviously, this could be the movie room.
Look at this.
You've got all of this awesome storage down here. And then there's even some more totes underneath.
Yeah.
You have a rack up here to hang things. This little, I'm going to come down. That's
Okay.
Actually, let me show you. You do have some steps here coming down. So this is actually going to make a sleeping area.
Yes.
Got some storage back behind it,
Yep.
some open storage. And then I'm going to hand him this camera and let him show you the loft, because there is a loft in here too.
Well, I'm not through in here.
Okay.
Now you got to look at this.
Oh yes,
You
I
think
forgot.
this is hidden? Look at this. Put that up out of the way and pull out your drawer.
And
I mean,
it's-
come on now.
It's a big drawer.
Let me see if
So-
I can. Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah, so no wasted space. And then there is one over here too.
One right here.
And it's a big one
Big.
too. Yeah.
So, yeah, I like that.
Yeah, great storage. You do see that your heating vent is right there. Now, you guys by now know that I don't do ladders,
Oh, wow.
so I'm going to hand this to him and let
This
him
is-
show you this.
this
But
is-
let me back up. So, yeah, here's your loft area.
Wow. I like this.
Well, of course you do.
All right, up here you've got a little storage as soon as you come up the ladder. And I'm going to try to spin
Big
very
window.
slowly. You have got power and USB right there. Another window keeps going around. And another power and USB right there. Wow. So I'm trying to do this kind of slowly. There you go. Hey,
Yeah. So,
I can stretch out up here.
yeah, all you would need to do is add like a twin size mattress up there. Great place for kids.
Like that little nook behind it too.
Yeah, so I mean, even if you don't have kids, it's a great storage area right
Oh,
there.
yes.
All right. Well, now we're going to back up into the living area. And oh my goodness, this TV is monster size. This is going to have a 70-inch TV.
Oh,
Oh, yes, and you
Let
can,
me-
yeah, you can close this off.
just want to point that out.
Not only do you have a monster size TV, you also have a monster size
Good grief now.
electric fireplace
Look at this.
and storage that,
Oh my gosh, I can't even reach it.
yeah, now you're not going to be able to close it.
I'm not going to be able to close it. I'm going to have to jump up there.
We'll do that after a while.
Wow.
Also in here, you're going to have your AC units back there. There is a ceiling fan. Now to turn the ceiling fan on, you just need to pull the chain. There's not
Yeah.
there's not a switch.
Yeah.
You just pull the chain.
I'm gonna leave it on.
So to enjoy this massive TV, you have this really big sectional sofa here. This side's going to make some sleeping. Both of these here will recline. So great for those movie nights, or when you're camping and it's raining and you can't get out and go do anything. Awesome in here. It is just awesome. Moving on into the kitchen area, you're going to have a freestanding table with chairs And for some reason, we've been forgetting to show off all this
There we go,
wonderful storage
Yeah.
underneath the seats.
Really cool.
But yeah, so you've got windows around. We have what we're calling the zebra shades here. And then to finish out this front slide is a pantry area. And it's going to go all the way down to the floor.
I think I like where they moved at.
Yes.
It's really cool.
Now, the kitchen. All of this is going to have solid surface in here. You've got a storage area right here at the end. On this side, they do give you 2 plug-ins. You have to keep in mind that your heating is going to be in the cabinetry in this unit. Right here at the end, you've got a pull-out pet bowl. So when Fido and Fifi are not eating, you can just slide it right back up out of the way. We like to call this the swanky sink because you've got a glass washer, you have the waterfall here, pull-down faucet, the soap dispenser. It's multifunctional and will just about do it all. You are going to have a garbage can here that's nice and hidden. Good space underneath the sink.
Let me get these.
Yes, now these drawers actually have little indentions on the bottom to pull them out.
Yeah.
Again, I'm not sure why they didn't put handles on these, but
Well, I
guess
think it's
it was
because
just to keep it clean.
No, to keep this right here, it's going to slide in,
yeah,
and it would knock them off.
Yes, it would. Okay,
Yeah.
Forest River knows more than I do. They
Yes.
did good. Up across the top where your microwave is, you've got storage on both sides and a wine rack. You are going to have one of the larger 3-burner cooktops with an oven. There is a drawer underneath it, and then there's storage off to the side.
Yeah. All
And more
right.
plug-ins. I love it. Forest River has done so well with all of these plug-ins.
They're everywhere.
This is going to have a French door fridge with the 2 freezers.
That is cool.
Love that. Now, over here, up at the top, you have got some storage in these cabinets up here.
Hang on a minute. Vanna's getting on here.
And then your coffee bar is going to have solid surface. You've got some storage underneath that. And a drawer.
Look at there. Good night.
Big drawer.
Yes.
Okay, that's bigger than I was expecting.
That is nice.
You could put crock pots in there. I mean, it's that big.
And you've got,
Some more.
look at these. You thought these were going to be small.
Yeah, no.
Oh,
And then a
there's
pull
some
down.
Pull down right there.
Yeah, then you got a little open storage right there. This also has solid surface. And hang on, you've got some storage up here, but there's a surprise. There's a place to put your K-Pods. So, if you
That
guys
is neat.
travel with the Keurig like we do, you've got somewhere to stash your little coffee pods now.
I love this. I mean, plug-ins here.
And yes, lots and lots of plug-ins.
Really cool.
Going up the stairs, there you'll see you do have your heating vents. You've got fuses right down here. Excuse me, guys.
All right.
Your control panels right here. I love that they have buttons so you can actually see what you're doing. Coming into the bathroom.
Yeah.
Woo, yeah.
Yeah.
Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There is a big old skylight up there. That's my new word. Yeah,
Big
and
old?
it's bright in here today.
Yeah.
So this is a 48
30.
by 30.
Yeah.
Yes.
30
Very-
by 48. You said it backwards. Okay.
It depends on which way you're turned.
Well, okay.
Anyway, they also give you the really big exhaust fan and this
Oof.
super pull-out storage.
I like that.
It's right above your porcelain foot flush toilet.
And
So-
you got a bun warmer back there.
Yes, you do. Some good space in front of it, so you should have plenty of leg room. You do have a storage area underneath your sink. Nice counter space. And a mirrored medicine cabinet. And then you're also going to have a space under here big enough to put a wastebasket if you need to.
Yeah.
Now, yes, this bathroom is going to win the golden plunger.
Yeah.
At the moment, our plunger is being replated,
Yeah.
so we will
Yes.
have it in another video.
Kind of felt sorry for it.
It was starting to look a little sad. Okay, in the master bedroom, you have got this king-size bed. Love this headboard. It's lit around it, and there's storage back here. So on top of it, you do have a plug-in and USB, USB-C. So, you know, if you need to leave your campsite, but you need to put some stuff up that you don't really want people to know where it is, you can put it right back there.
I like these little shelves here beside the bed.
Yes, and then there's power and USB on that side too. Another one over there. Again, Forest River has just, yeah. Some people might think it's overboard with plug-ins, but trust me, it's not. They do have an extra AC in here. Great storage underneath. Love the way they have finished this out with the little carpeting in there. Again, here's another shot of these little nightstands. You've got some little storage underneath it. Now at the foot of the bed, you're going to have a 4-drawer dresser. Good space. Now if you want to add a TV, it'll go right up there where your plug-ins are. Yes, pleated shades in the bedroom. Now, this huge closet across the front, it's huge. It's big. It really is. You are going to have a washer dryer prep, so washer can go here, dryer can go over there, or I'm sure you could do a combo unit if you preferred. Shoe storage in here, hanging all the way across, and then another great storage shelf right above that rod. Love it. We just love it.
I mean, like we said in another video, Forest River Sabre has...
Yes. I know this, especially for the 25 models.
Yeah.
Really, really stepped everything up.
All right, everybody. If you like this Sabre, the dealership's information be down in our description. So, all right, everybody. If you like it, come and get it. So, thanks, everybody.
Okay, you know you left those open. Well, how are you going to get that down?
Y'all, I mean, come here and let me hold. Hey, hang on.
No.
No, hang on. I'm going to show you. Gosh. Look at that. Oh,
this is a Shaquille O'Neal trailer. Okay.
We need him in the video with us.
Absolutely. J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.